Howdy folks, TJ here. Got a little bit of a mega unboxing or unenveloping. I received a number of things this last week or so, and I thought it was time to maybe I'll just do one video on unboxing it all, and then some of it I will do individual videos on later, because some of them might be games that I need to play for Game of the Week, or I should say just game, because normally the Game of the Weeks are ones that you can download over the internet and everybody can get, because the games that I purchased are for my next, so it's not one you can freely download. But let's start by this white envelope. A very nice gentleman that posted me a note on Facebook, enjoyed my videos that I do. Silvestri Benito said, "Hey, I've got this cool book. I have an extra one of it. Would you like to have it?" And I'm sure, why not? It's he sees that I like reading. So let's open this up and show you what he sent me. I can sit for hours in bed at night. Typically, I go to my bedroom about 10, but then I normally stay up until about 12, 12:30, sometimes 1 reading. I don't sleep very well, so I typically don't like going to bed. And when I do, I'm typically doing something. So reading is one of those things. So let's go ahead and, I've already slit the envelope open. Let's see what he sent me here. Hopefully I can pull it out. Oh, I didn't cut well enough. I should have had my, there we go. Zoom. So what did he send me? A retro magazine. Actually, it's one of those, I think, big yearly periodicals. I've not purchased any yet, other than I did purchase the Blast 2020 that I haven't received yet. Excuse me. Oh, my voice. I need some water. Hold on a second here. I talk a lot, so normally my voice get crackly once in a while, huh? So this is a big, thick, like, telephone book. Do they even have telephone books anymore? I don't know. But it is a retro book. I'm looking at the back right now. The Ultimate Guide to Classic Gaming. So I've never seen one of these. Atari VCS Video Game Legends Look Back. Is this a multi-platform? Has some info on Nolan Bushnell. I'm going to do a quick little thumb through. See some Mario in there, so it's going to have some Nintendo. VCS Veterans. Oh, that's cool. Obviously, I'm an Atari VCS owner too, so having Atari coverage is always most welcome. Let's see what other retro stuff's in here. Yeah, I see Donkey Kong. So very cool. Big book that I can sit and read for hours. Hey! Simon Butler. I don't know if Simon, I'm friends with him on Facebook. I don't know if he ever watches any of my videos, but here's a young Simon Butler. If you can pick that up. I'll have to maybe say, "Hey Simon, it says programmer." I didn't know Simon's a programmer. I know he's a pixel pusher, as he says, and wonderful artist, but do you actually program too? Wow, multi-talented feller. Very cool. So awesome. Thank you very much, Silvestri. Hopefully I pronounced your name right, for this very nice gift. Retro micro games action. 260 pages of TJ reading for hours. Very nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. So let me make sure there's nothing else in the envelope. Nope. Nice piece of cardboard to keep everything from bending. Because postal people love to bend nice prints and stick them inside the mailbox. We've got a lockbox, a community lockbox. And they'll stick boxes in that are too big for the hole to pull out the other side. Because our side has some frame around it, right? You open it up, they wedge it in from the back, which has a little bit more room. And then you get in there and you cut your fingers up trying to pull stuff out. Oh, the postal people! Piss off! Alright, enough of me bitching. What's the next one? So this one is all the way from United Kingdom. And let's go ahead and, it also has a nice piece of cardboard keeping everything stiff. So what did I purchase that is, Let me put this over here. QBee! QBee video games. So I was not part of the first purchased when this came out. And then he had, around December, another batch. I decided to jump in. I would love to collect as many Next games as I can. I don't think it's possible for me to collect every single one. Sean Miller seems to collect every single one. I can't. He must be rich. Or he's just crazy and does like me and buys stuff beyond their means just to try to... I'm kind of like a completionist. Even like, example. So when you're on Facebook and you have the little thing that shows all the new messages you have coming in, I have to click on each one to remove the little dot next to it to say I've read it. Otherwise, if I haven't, even though I've read it, that thing doesn't always correspond to showing I read it. So I have to click it to make sure I've read it. So I'm kind of a little kooky that way. I'm going to be a completionist. So I'm going to try to be a completionist for the next game. So this is QBee. It's like Qbert. And I didn't pay attention to it at first. I actually watched a playthrough last night on the Spectrum show. They have number 101 video he did. I didn't realize it's a bee. I mean, it says bee, but I didn't think it was a bee that's your character. I just thought you couldn't call it Qbert, you know, for obviously, what's the word for it? You don't want to be sued by a lawyer, right? But it's a little bee that's going to be buzzing around, so that's cool. So I purchased QBee. I thought it was important to own that, so now I do. So a future game video will be QBee. What's up next? Let's do this one next. This one is also from the United Kingdom. I think, yeah. So what did I purchase? The Crash Binder. Oh, I'm holding in the wrong direction. The Crash Binder. So interesting. It comes, looks like or just folded so it could fit in that skinny box. And so I am a Patreon on the Crash site, so I can get the actual mailed magazines, Crash. And I wanted to get a Crash binder. Was not part of the first 500 that you could buy. But Brian Dickinson, thank you very much. Chris had posted a note. I've got 5 left. Anybody want one? And he knew I wanted one. And I wasn't even on that Crash group. And he said, TJ wants one. And I quickly joined up and signed up. And fortunately for him saying that I wanted one, I was able to go ahead and get one. So this is the binder. I think I'll do a video on it. It looks pretty neat. It looks like there's a little piece of paper inside that says how to use your binder. But it looks like it's got some straps. So you can fish your magazine in there, fold it up, and then stick it on your bookshelf so it looks more official. So very cool. I'm excited to have that. So that's that. One more package to go. So this is a total of 4 boxes or envelopes. This one is all the way from, I believe, Ukraine. Far, far away in a galaxy far, far away. So, now I did split this box and I didn't cut it well. What a dummy. Now you're going to have to see me do it on video. Hold on to your horses. Oh, I'm going to probably cut myself. Funk. Don't run around with scissors, kids, or you'll be like TJ. Now what do I have in this box? Let me rest this over here. I've played this already. The hard copy of Delta Shadow. Thank you very much. I have a problem pronouncing your name. I'm sorry. Is it Evgeniy? I'm not even going to try. I did it on my video, though. So hard copy of Delta Shadow. So now I'm going to do a first. Normally I only play video games like once for like game of the week or whatever. I don't think I've revisited any games to show I've played for like an hour or 2 and get better. So I think this is going to be my first one where I will sit down and actually play for like a solid hour, get further, and then do another video on it to show how well I'm doing playing video games. So, hard copy of this, and I think I'll do a complete video on opening this up, because there is also an envelope that says Delta Shadow on it. Very nifty. I'm not going to open this envelope yet, because I think I'll do that for making my unboxing video of that. So anyway, I received that. So, yeah, I was a busy boy. Received all sorts of fun stuff. Now I have more games to play, so I think that's it. I did buy a chainsaw, but I don't think you want to watch me do a video, at least for this one, of me unboxing a chainsaw, unless you want me to. No, okay. So, thanks for watching the unboxing. I've got lots of videos to come. I'm going to be busy. I've got games to play. I have a ZX80 that recently came in that I can't get working quite yet. Might be a TV issue. I need to work on that. I do have a little black and white TV coming, and keeping my fingers crossed that it works. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and have a great rest of your day. See ya. Peace.